Welcome students. In this lecture, we will see creation of 3D model by using shaft in part design. So let's start. Now here we have a object. This is a pulley. So if you want to create this pulley, first of all, we need to select in which plane we can create this pulley. So we will be having two methods here. Either I can use front plane for creating this base sketch, either I can use top plane for creating this base sketch. Base sketch is nothing but creating the cross section of this particular object and revolving it around the axis. So for creating the cross section you may choose front plane because we can see the base sketch or this cross section from front plane, or either you can choose top plane because this shape is showing in top face. So for our object we will be selecting front plane. So go for selecting the front plane. So now we have entered into Sketcher. So here you have to create this cross section. So we can't create complete object, otherwise we will face difficulty while editing the object. So one by one we will create single line. We will take profile. Here a single line I will create from this point to this point and I will give escape. The length of this, I am creating this line, length of this is around 120. So I will go here, I will pick on this, double click on this 120, and the internal diameter is around 30 mm. From axis to here we need to give some 30, half means we have to give 15. So I will take one axis here. I will go for constraints, select this and this, double click on this 15. Again I will go with profile. I will create this complete shape by clicking on this. So it is having around first step, second step, third, four steps having 1, 2, 3, and this is my last one. Again I can continue like this. Now my sketch is completed. Now this line is cross, select this, go here and make it vertical. Now this is 30, we have given 15, but this external diameter is 40 radius, he is showing over here. So go for constraint, select this axis and select this and make it as, double click on this, give as 40. And next one we have here as 55 from this axis to here. So select this, click on this and click on this, give 55. Again next one we have 70 from the axis, select this, select on this and select on this. For this I will give some 70, and another one is from axis to here, it is 80. So select this, from this axis to here I'll give here as some 85. Now the length of these all steps is around 40, 40, 40. So double click on this, first one, second one and third one and fourth one, escape, double click on this, give 40, double click on this, give 40, double click on this. You may double click everywhere and make it as 40, 40, 40 everywhere, and adjust this by dragging like this. Here the thickness of this part is around 10. So double click on this, select this line. Again from here to here it should be 10. Select this and this, click on this, select this line and this line, click here, select this line and this line, click here, select this point and this point, click here. Now from here to here also we have 30 distance. From this point to the axis it is showing 30, this particular point. Select this and this is around 30. Remaining all are 10 10 only. Double click on this, make it 10. Double click on this, make it 10. Double click 10. Everywhere you have to make as 10. Now this object is fully constrained. Now exit the workbench. Now go for revolve. Select this. So axis he has already selected as this one, or you can select this axis and you can apply preview and you can apply OK. Like this you can create your pulley, or if you want 270-degree angle, you just double click on this object and make it as 270 preview, but it is showing on other side. By clicking on reverse direction you can make it this side and you can apply OK. So we do have here keyway of 6 into 3, means 6 is the length and 3 is the height. If you want to make keyway, we have to use here pocket command. Select this face, go for sketch, take rectangle here, select this. This should be some 3 and this should be 6. And from this to this you need to take as some 3. Select this. From this point to this point you need to make it as coincident and go for exit. You can go with pocket. You have to use till last and you have to give OK. So right now whatever the revolve I am having, it is only 270 degree. Just double click on this and you can mention here 360 degree. So you will get full solid. If you want partial solid or half solid, double click on this and make it as 270 degree and make it preview and apply OK. In next lecture we will see how to use hole. Thank you.